Recording star.
Recording.
Finish?
Yes.
Alright. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for your opportunity for me to speak for today. I'm very happy because I can invite Mr. Saiful will come here. He is the best teacher for guiding us how to manage every stranger, every foreigner from all the world. Well, for topic today, what good activity do you usually do and why? Oh wow! You know, every week I have spent my time only 2 days here, every Tuesday and Saturday, for learning many languages. Besides that days, I spend my time teaching sometimes, teaching in any boarding school, TPR, the place of learning Quran every month in Malaysia, after Asar prayer. Besides that, from the morning until noon, I open my laptop and then increase my languages, not only English but also Spanish and Esperanto, a little bit Arabic. All the time. Sometimes when somebody asks me or someone asks me, "Here, where are you now? Would you mind inviting me? Would you mind accompanying me to guide guests from Europe?" Yes, I will. Well, I find that guy or that woman from Europe, from that line, sometimes a little bit I can speak the language, just language. Hello, ich bin Safir. Ich Panjau. Wie ben jij? Dankjewel. This is a little bit like Dutch. Sometimes when I met with a guy from Buenos Aires, sometimes Spain, and then Venezuela. Habla español, sí. Yo hablo español poquito, porque para mí yo hablo español poquito. Español es muy fácil a todo el mundo, pero inglés es difícil, ¿verdad? Sí, inglés es difícil al mundo, amigo. Sometimes when I met one of our people from Europe can speak Spanish language, but I'm going to invite them to join to Aceh tourism, because number one Indonesia, they got from Indonesia, President of Indonesia got number one in Indonesia, halal tourism in Indonesia, Aceh. That's why every day I spend my time for increase my languages. I open my laptop and then I looking for new vocabulary. For example, idiom word or slang word. I can understand with English from United Kingdom and then American accent. Example. I'm very happy to meet you today. I'm very happy. Aku sangat bahagia berjumpa dengan kamu. But in America, more people say I'm on cloud nine. I'm on cloud nine tonight today. No, but it's idiom word. You are my host. I mean that you are here, my family. Sometimes when I met with American guy, I use American accent, American English. When I met with them, they are asking me, "Are you American or not?" No, I'm not. I am original from Aceh. That's why. Yeah,
because
that's why.
You learn.
Yeah, that's why. Why you speak like you speak the whole world? No, I learned that because I learned about rhyme and then stress and then vocabulary and then pronunciation and speak the whole world. Sometimes when I met with British guy, they are talking here like people speak the word. Where you water. This is a British accent. That's why I can change my habit when I met people from United Kingdom. They can use American accent, English accent, and then British accent. And then when I met with American accent, it's American accent. That's why this is very, very friendly and easygoing with when I met with them. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. So for any question?
Unbelievable.
Masya-Allah, dalam bertanya.
Here, but I met some people from English, speak English, from British, from Australian, and also from United States. Yes, not the same dialect.
Yeah, same dialect. Yeah.
Australia,
different accent.
Australia.
To die. To die is today.
British.
Yeah.
Very easy to know American English.
Yeah.
You know how many times? I have a question. How many times in a day you learn? You spend your time to learn Bahasa or other language.
At the night, after I woke up at night at 6, sick, yeah, raised me tired, and then I did not went back to my bed anymore. I just opened my laptop and then increased my new vocabulary, and not only English, but also Esperanto and then Spanish. What I more than learning a lot of English than Spanish and Esperanto, because I can understand all of the district in United States of America. For example, is from Lithuania, Pennsylvania, North Carolina. That is totally different accent. And then both of us sometimes when you are not my host, you are not my family. Family is English language, but that Mr. Builder very awesome. That architect very good. This American builder. When we met with the American guy, we got very comfortable and then very easygoing with them. Because why do you wear or use American accent? Why? Because when I met with American guy, I use American accent. When I met with this guy, I use British accent. That's why when every foreigner from German, France, and then Netherlands, and then I have a lot of friends from America, Pennsylvania, New York, Florida, and many places, California. They ask me, so what for you learn American accent? Because American accent is very nice for my hearing, even though sometimes my hearing come and goes. You know what? Come and goes. When I understand each other, when I listen to each other, yeah, I can combine between British English, American English. So I spend my time for 24 hours from at 7 until the 3 maybe. I can spend my time focus on learning or watching movie all the time, and then vocabulary and then pronunciation very important for us. Pronunciation. All the people can speak the language of the whole world because can combine with stress and then with rhymes and then the pronunciation is the whole world.
That's brother Safir, he spend a lot of time learning others' language every day. How many times do you spend every day? He spend many times. You see the result, you see how he can speak very many languages. And he speak when he met people from America, the ghost of American accent muncul, come outside. He speak American. When he meet people from British,
The ghost from British.
British come outside from his body. He speak. Unbelievable. Awesome.
Yeah, that's why not only I learn from British accent and American accent, but also I learn from Italian accent. Well, I get to tell him before, but it's Italian accent, and then when not only that Italian accent, many accent, whole I learned. The example is from Russia. Hey Yuri, how are you today? Don't go like that. We are very clever. Learn today. That's why you are very clever. All the world, right? This is Russia accent, and then this India accent. You come here for quantity, not quality. You come here, you uncle today come here, but give me money. This is Hindi accent. That's why I'm all world. But the point is, you're not thinking for accent, just focus for speak English. Speak English is when each other understanding what are you saying, that is speaking. When you are saying or speaking, they do not ask you about grammar. No anymore. Totally not. Understanding each other, this is speaking. That's the focus for grammar. No. After you master in English, you start speaking. That's why when you got TOEFL test, you must learn grammar. That's very important.
Understanding English.
Very
What
important.
is understanding English? Grammar is number 2, number 3, and others.
Yeah.